5 Best Treks for Beginner in Nepal. 1. Ghorepani Poon Hill Trek. This trek is the short Annapurna trek which take 3 to 5 days to complete. It is perfect for beginners as it offers stunning views of snow-capped Himalayas, terranced field, charming villages, and opportunity to witness sunrise over Annapurna and Dhau giri ranges from Poon Hill. 2. Langtang Valley Trek. Easy trek near Kathmandu which takes you to lush forest, serene valley and scenic landscape. Langtang Valley allows to witness traditional Tamang villages, glaciers, and breathtaking views of Langtang lirung and surrounding. 3. Mardi Himal Trek. Mardi Himal Trek is 5 to 7 days of stunning views, less crowds. Trek through rhododendron forests to Mardi Himal Base Camp for epic sunrises over Machhapuchhre and Annapurna. Experience Gurung and Magar culture, cozy tea houses, and a budget-friendly adventure. Moderately easy, perfect for authentic Himalayan beauty. 4. Everest Short Trek. Experience the Himalayas in days, not weeks. Fly to Luklil, then trek to iconic Namche Bazaar, witness stunning Everest views. Immerse yourself in Sherpa culture, explore monasteries, and enjoy breathtaking mountain scenery. Ideal for those with limited time seeking Everest's magic. 5. Jomsom Mukhtinath Trek. Jomsom Mukhtinath's diverse landscapes in a short adventure. Fly to Jomsom, trek through arid terrain, and witness stunning views of Dhau Giri and Annapurna. Visit the sacred Mukhtinath Temple, a spiritual hub for Hindus and Buddhists. Experience unique Tibetan-influenced culture, charming villages, and breathtaking mountain vistas. A culturally rich and scenic trek, perfect for a shorter Himalayan experience.